You perform an important form of forklift maintenance when you refuel or recharge it. The procedures you follow can vary, depending on which type of forklift you're working with. But you should always turn off the engines and motors before you begin. To refuel a forklift that runs on a compressed gas like propane, you'll need to install a new gas cylinder. For a forklift that uses gasoline or diesel fuels, you'll be refilling its tank. And for one with an electric motor, you'll be recharging its battery. All of these procedures share one critical safety issue: the risk of fire and explosion. Gasoline, diesel fuel, and gases like propane are all flammable. But recharging an electric forklift can also be a fire risk, because the charging process can cause its battery to generate hydrogen gas, which is also flammable. That's why all refueling and recharging areas need to be well ventilated, so that any fumes can disperse safely. There should also be no open flames, electrical sparks, or other ignition sources nearby, and smoking can never be allowed in these areas. Let's take a closer look at how to refuel a forklift that runs on a compressed gas. There are some issues with these lifts that you may not be used to. Simply shutting off this type of forklift can leave flammable residues in its fuel lines. To prevent this, close the shutoff valve on the fuel tank while the engine is still running. Let it continue to run until it uses up the gas in the lines and stalls. Then disconnect the gas line from the tank. Strangely enough, compressed gases, even flammable ones, can cause frostbite. So remember to wear protective gloves while you're working with them. Handle the tanks carefully. Do not use metal tools when disconnecting and reconnecting them. They can cause sparks. And always look for signs of gas leaks in the system. When you put a new tank in place, make sure that it engages with the locking pin on the forklift. Then reconnect the gas line, making sure it is properly seated and screwed on tight. Refueling a forklift that runs on gasoline or diesel fuel is fairly straightforward. It's pretty much like filling up the gas tank in a car. For added safety, touch the nozzle of the hose to the truck's fill pipe before you start transferring fuel. This will discharge any static electricity that might exist. If you spill any fuel, wipe it up and wait for the residue to evaporate before you restart the engine. As for electric forklifts, as we've mentioned, recharging their batteries can generate flammable hydrogen gas. The fact that their batteries can generate sparks as well makes the process even more dangerous. For older trucks, open the battery compartment and disconnect the battery cable from the battery. Then connect the cable from the charger to the battery. To prevent sparks, keep tools and other metal objects away from the battery. This includes jewelry and wristwatches.